talk about it. What's going?
Ooh. What's that? Wow, that's extremely loud. When am I ever this loud? Never. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you missed me, you know. I hope you did, because I missed you. We're on the okay, good. But today, of course, I'm coming here with a look. And I have very few, not even very few, but I double dabble on a couple looks. You know, I try to make sure my looks are on 10. And we keep them on 10. Before we even start this video, I need you to subscribe. Did you do it? I'm watching you. You better have done it. Also, turn on your post notifications, girl, boy. I don't care what your identification is. I need you to turn on the post notifications. Thank you very much, because I would love for you to, you guys to know that I posted. It would be like really amazing for you, to know that. It's just good information. We're on the same page. Also, before I start, because I know someone's gonna ask me about this bomb curly hair. Oh my God, look at this. Do you see this? Well, the curly hair that I have in my hair, as I previously say over on my Instagram and everything like that. This is an Nadula hair, Brazilian curly, and I think it's a 20, 26, 24, something like that. I usually get my bundle super long, but all the information will be down below. But this is super cute, and I have to say this is literally like the bombest curl. I get a lot of weave, and I play with so much wigs and weaves and hair, and put weaves in my hair, and I would say, as many curly hairs that I've had, I would say this is literally the best curly hair I've had. So if you don't do yourself a favor and cop this, do yourself a favor, go in the description box, cop this. Thank you very much, because this will save your life. Thank you. Okay, so what are we here for? We are here for, I'm always just rambling on and on. So I did this look. Mind you, I am not that good at eyeliner. I really suck. But I did this look, and I will show you guys. I did one of these looks over here, and everybody on my Instagram was like, bitch. I was like, yes, hello, my bad. What's up? I guess I shook you guys. I don't know how. I shook my own self, because I actually have what is it, hand-eye coordination? I don't know if that's that's not the right term. Okay, we're just gonna act like that didn't work. That worked. Anyways, a lot of you guys asked me for this look, and it's really the simplest look ever. I'm trying to tell you guys, I am not in any shape, form, the best makeup. I swear to God, I feel like other makeup artists probably look at my channel and they're like, girl. And I'm just like, I'm just trying to live. I don't know. I'm just trying to my best. I'm gonna be doing, the regular schmegular stuff. I'm actually, for the first time, I'm not gonna do my eyebrows on camera, because I feel like I do it in every video. And if you are new, you better click on those other videos and look at my eyebrow routine. That will make you get up to date. But if you have seen me and you've been on my channel about a billion times, then we can, skip over this. So I'm just gonna do this, and then we'll be back, okay? Okay. So I'm back with my eyebrows done, check. And so now we're here for, the excitement, the fun part. So I'm going to be using some random, I got sent this, but it's by Kiss. I don't know what else. I'm going to be doing an eyeliner effect, and I'm going to try to keep the steadiest hand that I can keep. And yeah, so let's just, watch me do it. And let's hope I, don't mess up. I'm going to talk though, because I really need to concentrate, extremely.
talk, I just wanna be. Pull you in closer to me. I make the first move, you make the next three. I'll take you where I go. I'll take you where I go. I'll take you where I go. Can you take me where you go? Where you go? Take you where I go. Take you there. We're going.
I think that was probably the most stressful thing I've ever done in my life at this point. Oh, so after that, everything else is so much easier. So like, look, basically it's like this like cool like intergalactic liner. I don't know. I know like this is really 70s inspired, but I think it looks really cool with like all your outfits. So next, and this, I'm just gonna be doing my regular like beat face. Well, not really beat, like I'm just gonna do like concealer and contour and then my eyelashes, but I'll just do that later. I'm still using the I'm still using this, you know, ran out NARS concealer. Actually, and the problem is I just actually need to like get up and go to Sephora. Like that's what I just need to like take my lazy self there, but you know, always finding excuses. And on top, since like I'm running out of my NARS, I use the Fawn color because it's literally the same exact color. If you, this is not, I can't say like, I don't want to recommend this as a dupe, but I want to say if you're trying to find the same exact color but cheaper, then you should do this, and it's in Fawn, so yeah. But I will not say it's the same formula. It's literally not. But I know this is extremely good. Like everybody really likes this. Like your girl got you. I'm not trying to like get you in bad hands or anything like that. This is literally a staple of mine. Like I'm not even kidding at this point. Literally the Espresso Fenty. I will be using this forever. Like forever. It's just like such a good color for like contours. Like it's just, oh my god. And you know, I still outline my lips so it doesn't look too, you know, I don't know, I just outline my lips. I like my lips to look bigger. I don't want to hear it because like I know everybody in the comments are gonna be like, Tati, just love your lips. Like I love my lips. I would die if I didn't actually have lips. Like I'm grateful for having lips, but you know, like everybody wants to, you know, do something different to their face, so I just, you know, do that. Don't have to explain myself. Can you take this chance on me? I love freaking Callie G's. She has like a concert coming up in SF. However, I need to find somebody to come with me. Like, I love her and I just want her to know that I love her. I just want to meet her and just like tell her I love her and, you know, marry her at this point. And then she could teach me Spanish and I could teach her Mandarin, and then, you know, there you go. Boom. We work perfectly together. And then I can sing all her songs with her and I'll, you know. I already have this made up in my head. It's gonna work. I know. Ooh, snatched. Just snatched. Guys, I'm just gonna tell you, like, I love simple looks. Like, I don't know what it is, like simple, aesthetically pleasing looks, because it's just like, no matter like how easy it is, it's just gonna still look fire, and you're like, wow, like, thank you.
Let me take you there. There's just some place where
I like to what's it called? I like to pat it in first. I don't know why, I just feel like it looks better when I do this. And I don't like to go all the way down with like my stuff, because I just like a really highlighted under eye. Like that's just really all I want. It's just a highlighted under eye. A little bit here, because I did put stuff here. Here. Ooh. And so as I let this sit, I'm gonna actually do my eyelashes and stuff like that, because I feel like this is just the perfect time for me to do this. And I use two, so I use the Better Than Sex because I'm actually running out of this, and then I use the Great Lash by Maybelline. I stole this from my best friend. If you're watching this, I am so sorry. I don't know how I took it, but look, listen, it's in good hands. It's in good hands. I'm happy we're on the same page. I love you. So first I start off with the Great Lash because it like separates my lashes, which I love. And I did not wear lashes with this look when I did it yesterday because I didn't think I needed any. My eyelashes were like shining through for some reason. Like they were just, you know, doing what they need to do. Someone was talking about they laugh when I do my mascara. I didn't know I looked that weird when I did it, but you know. Lashes complete. Now that my lashes are complete and I believe that I'm done, like after I'm done with my lashes, I just think that I'm done baking. Like it's just over. It's over. It's done its work. And once that is clear, I'm just gonna take my Mario Badescu and I just spray that until like my light falls off. I'm kidding, but like I like how like dewy leaves your face, and I just want like a, you know, a dewy looking face but not too dewy because I have oily skin and it does the job after, you know, a couple hours. So I'm deciding. I don't know if I want to, you know, do too much or, you know, do too much. So I have 3 highlights with me. I have the Mean Money from Fenty, then I have the Trophy Wife from Fenty, and then I have this Real Her thing. I don't know. I think I got this from BeautyCon or something like that. Looks like that. I think I'm going to use one on top of another. Maybe whenever I use Trophy Wife, I have to be careful with it because if you're doing too much, and this is literally what I like. Please don't do the most. Literally, I do not need the whole gang on here. Like it just be doing too much and it'd be a lot, and people don't be understanding that. I'm like, why not? Like, girl. So yeah. Can you see that? Should I just see it right here? It's really cute. Okay. I'm gonna use the Hustler Baby. Or is it Me Money? Me Money Hustler Baby? Who knows? Who knows, honey? I'm gonna use that right on top. Ooh. Ooh. Skin look. Oh, shoot. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Panic. I'm gonna take Rum, the actual cream stick, because it just looks as, like, amazing as a nose highlight. I just take this on my nose. Do you see that? Like, it literally makes your nose look wet. Like, I love that feeling. I'm gonna take this on my lip, top lip. Oh, yes. I'm gonna grab my lip gloss, and then literally that's the look. Oh my God. I used to have the Trophy Wife highlight, lip gloss, but, or not Trophy Wife, Fenty lip balm or something like that, but I think someone stole it in college, so whoever you are, we gonna fight, I swear. Cause that was not cheap. Okay, yeah, this is the look. Oh, this is so cute. Like, oh, aesthetic. Oh, aesthetically pleasing. Oh, aesthetically pleasing. I just love this. Like, it just, and it matches my art. Like, what? I'm in love, of course. So yeah, guys, this is the finished look. I said this about 20 billion times, and yeah, I hope you like this. This was like extremely simple. I am literally the simple queen of looks. So yeah, I will be bringing more looks like this, like more cool, like model-esque, aesthetically pleasing type looks. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. I don't really have a lot left to say. Yeah, I love you and bye.